Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the part 4 of the story, The Rat Trap. We have so far covered most part of the story. We have met the main character of the story. Who is the main character and what are the other names we attribute to that characters? Comment below. हम रैट ट्रैप सेलर को और किन किन नामों से जानते हैं, किन किन एडजेक्टिव से जानते हैं, किन किन प्रोनाउन से जानते हैं जो हमने इस चैप्टर में लर्न किए हैं. तो जस्ट कमेंट बिलो टू रिवाइटलाइज योर नॉलेज ऑफ द स्टोरी द रैट ट्रैप, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में से मेरे बच्चों मेन क्वेश्चन आने के चांसेस जो है वो रैट ट्रैप सेलर के कैरेक्टर स्केच पर हैं. और आज इस पार्ट 4 कंक्लूसिव पार्ट में हम इसका टेक्स्ट बाय टेक्स्ट एनालिसिस पूरा कर लेंगे. मेन सेंट्रल मेटाफर क्या है एक बार उसे देख लेते हैं. दिस रैट ट्रैप सेलर ऑलवेज मेट हार्ड फेसेस बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑलवेज वॉन्डरिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर, begging and committing theft and also selling his rat traps. But selling rat traps could not give him that sort of income. That is why he has to rely on begging. He has to rely on robbing other people. So as a result of which he lived a life of a complete poor man. But as a result of which one fine day he felt he got one convincing idea that he makes the rat trap. And what is the use of a rat trap? To attract the rat by giving it the bait of a cheese and pork. Can you see the vocabulary bait? By giving it the bait of cheese and pork. And as the rat enters to eat that bait, it is caught by a thumb. And same way we human beings get attracted to wealth, we human beings get attracted to the fulfillment of our desires, to money, to luxury and also other material means of life. All these things are but bait, but baits. We get attracted to these baits and we caught in the snare. So far I have used in this very video, in these first 3 minutes, I have used the word snare, I have used the word bait. So this is the form of vocabulary you need to have as you write the question answers in your answer sheet. So let us take our discussion forward from the point we left. We have so far seen that our rat trap seller is at the Ramjaso iron mill and the iron master recognizes him, rather recognizes him for somebody else, for his old regimental comrade, and he insists on the very fact that you are Nilis Alof because your life is facing downfall now. You must come with me to my place in order to celebrate Christmas. My dear students, I am trying my best to speak in English as much as possible, so to fit in, so to gel in this idea that you have to think in English and write in English, because this is the subject of language. We need to get our language right. So the iron master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. Iron master felt that this tramp, this Nilis Alof, this old regimental comrade is not coming home with me because of the very fact that he is poorly dressed. He is poor, that is why he is feeling miserable, embarrassed in following me to my home. Please don't think I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there. ऐसा मत सोचो कि मेरा घर इतना अच्छा है कि तुम वहां मेरे साथ नहीं चल सकते. He said, my wife Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. तुमने तो सुना ही होगा, old regimental comrade. My boys are abroad and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. We are just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company, because in my home we only are 2 people. First is me, myself, and second is my daughter. Both boys are abroad. My wife is dead. So there is no one at home, you can surely follow me to my home. But this rat trap seller was so uncertain because of the robbed 30 kroners that he has in pocket, because of the fact that he is being mistook for somebody else, because his demeanor is not like that. He is not an old regimental comrade, but a rat trap seller who went here and there selling these rat traps. He is a poor old man, tramp, vagabond, wanderer. मैंने ही बता दिया, लेकिन कमेंट सेक्शन अभी भी खुला है. लाइन वाइज बताइए किन किन नेम से हम जानते हैं रैट ट्रैप सेलर को. नाउ कम अलोंग विद मी एंड हेल्प अस मेक द क्रिसमस फूड डिसअपियर अ लिटिल फास्टर. बट द स्ट्रेंजर सेड नो एंड नो अगेन नो, एंड आयरन मास्टर सॉ दैट ही मस्ट गिव इन. नहीं मान रहा है, अब रहने ही दो. It looks as though Captain Von Stale preferred to stay with you tonight. आयरन मास्टर ब्लैकस्मिथ ने क्या कहा कि आयरन मास्टर आज आपके साथ रहना चाहते थे. एंड टर्न्ड ऑन हिज हील. वो अपना काम में लग गए, लेकिन तुम जाने को तैयार नहीं हो. बट ही लाफ्ड टू हिमसेल्फ एज ही वेंट अवे, एंड द ब्लैकस्मिथ who knew him understood very well that he had not said his last word. It was not more than half an hour before they heard the sound of carriage. Carriage is a sort of a vehicle with a horse. And once again, carriage wheels could be heard outside the forge, and a new guest came in. But this time it was not the Iron Master. He had sent his daughter. Now the daughter of Iron Master has come to convince rat trap seller, convince the vagabond, convince Lily Soloff, convince old regimental comrade to follow him to the home, apparently hoping that she would have better powers of persuasion than he himself. She entered, followed by a valet, followed by a servant, carrying on his arm a big fur coat. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest and quite shy. In the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. The master blacksmith and his apprentice still sat on their bench, and the iron and charcoal still glowed in the furnace. The stranger, now another term, stranger, peddler, old regimental comrade, tramp, the stranger had stretched himself out on the floor and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head and his hat pulled down over his eyes. As soon as the young girl caught sight of him, she went up and lifted his hat. The man was evidently used of sleeping with one eye open. How funny he was looking. He jumped up abruptly, fastly, and seemed to be quite frightened. My name is Edla Wilmanson. See, in this story itself, there are not many characters. Only number of characters we have. First is Rat Trap Seller, then we have Crofter, then we have Iron Master, and then we have Edla Wilmanson. Whereas minor characters are the iron smith and its apprentice, but they are not useful and they will not be asked in your paper. But the two most important characters of this story you are likely to see in your examination are the rat trap seller, and second is Edla Wilmanson. My name is Edla Wilmanson, said the young girl. My father came home and said that you wanted to sleep here in the forge tonight, and then I asked permission to come and bring you home to us. I am sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. She looked at him with compassionately. Underline this word, my dear students. Underline this word. Very important. Edla Wilmanson is full of compassion. She has straight away come from the house to get this person, to get this unknown person who is taken to be an old regimental comrade, to her house. But her words, her gestures, her means of persuasion was full of compassion. So this is the quality of Edla Willman's son, that she is so much compassionate. With her heavy eyes, and then she noticed that the man was afraid. Either he had stolen something, or else he had escaped from the jail. She at once thought that this person doesn't seem to be an old regimental comrade. This person seems to be somebody who has escaped from the jail or has stolen something. She thought and added quickly, "You may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you come. Only please stay with us over Christmas Eve, because we both father and daughter are completely alone on this very festival." She said this is such a friendly manner that the rat trap peddler must have felt confidence in her. The way she said, "You can leave the way you will come," जैसे आप आएंगे उसी फ्रीडम के साथ आप जा सकते हैं. तो this prompted confidence in the rat trap seller, and he just could not say no. इतने persuasion पर तो कोई भी मान जाएगा. "It would never have occurred to me that you would bother me with yourself, miss. I will come at once." He accepted the fur coat which the valet handed him with a deep bow, threw it over his racks, and followed the young lady out to the carriage without granting the astonished blacksmith so much as a glance. Blacksmith की ओर देखा भी नहीं. But while he was riding up to the manor house, he had evil forebodings. Why the devil did I take that fellow's money? He said. अब ये forebodings का meaning होता है thought process. He was having such evil thought कि why I committed this thing, why I took the money, why I took the 30 kroners of that crofter. I now feel that I am myself caught in a trap. This journey is not ending. First of all, I was caught in the gyre of the forest. I kept on coming back to the same place. And second, when I arrived at Ramjaso Iron Works, I am being taken to the manor's house. If at all I caught there that I am a thief, I might end up in the jail. So that's the evil forebodings, evil thoughts that he is having in his mind right now. While the devil did I take that fellow's money, he thought, now I am sitting in the trap and will never get out of it. The next day was Christmas Eve, when the iron master came into the dining room for breakfast. He probably thought with satisfaction of his old regimental comrade, whom he had run across so unexpectedly. First of all, we must see to it that he gets a little flesh. He eats well, he looks well. अब हमारी priority है कि इसे थोड़ा ठीक करना. He has been so weak being on the roads, he said to his daughter, who was busy at the table. And then we must see that he gets something else to do than to run around the country selling rat traps. We must settle him down. It is queer. That queer means strange. Strange. It is queer that things have gone downhill with him as badly as that, said the daughter. Last night I did not think there was anything about him to show that he had once been an educated man. He has lost all his manners and he doesn't seem to be a person, because आप जानते हैं बहुत सारे मेरे viewers के parents भी army में हो सकते हैं, वो army schools में हो सकते हैं. तो what kind of demeanor they have, what kind of demeanor soldiers have, and being an old regimental comrade, he is expected to have some sort of behavior that showcase that he had been in army once while. But because his condition had been so bad that nobody can say this thing very proudly or confidently that he had once been an educated man, because he doesn't seem at all. You must have patience, my little girl. As soon as he gets clean and dressed up, you will see something different. Last night he was naturally embarrassed. The tramp manners will fall away from him with the tramp clothes. Just as he said this, door the opened and stranger entered. Yes, now he was truly clean and well dressed. The valet had bathed him, cut his hair and shaved him. Moreover, he was dressed in a good looking suit of clothes which belonged to the iron master. He wore a white shirt and a starched collar and whole shoes. But although his guest was now well so groomed, the iron master did not seem pleased. He looked at him with puckered brow, frown brow, and it was easy to understand that when he had seen the strange fellow in the uncertain reflection from the furnace, he might have made a mistake. He has definitely made a mistake, because now when he is clean, he doesn't look like Nilis Alof. He doesn't look like his old regimental comrade. In the broad daylight, he seemed that he is somebody else. It was impossible to mistake him for an old acquaintance, Jaan Pehchan. What does this mean? He thundered. The stranger made no attempt to dissimulate, to convince, to convey. वो कुछ भी convey नहीं कर रहा था, because he was very much sure of the fact that you only called me here. I resisted so many times. He saw at once that the splendor had come to an end. It is not my fault, sir. I have never pretended to be anything but a poor trader, and I pleaded and begged to be allowed to stay in the forge. But now no harm has been done. At worst, I can put on my rags again and go away. अब क्या बिगड़ गया है? मैं अपने rags फिर से पहन लेता हूँ, चला जाता हूँ. मैंने तो मना किया था, plead किया था, beg किया था कि I will not come to your manor house. I want to stay in the forge only. But you only insisted. You sent your daughter. So that is not my mistake at first part. Well, said the iron master, hesitating a little. It was not quite honest either. तुमने honesty भी नहीं दिखाई. तुम कह सकते थे कि मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो आप सोच रहे हो. You must admit that I should not be surprised if the sheriff would like to have something to say in the matter. और मुझे ये कहने में जरा भी आशंका नहीं होगी कि अगर मैं पुलिस को बुला लेता हूँ तो वो भी यही बात कहेंगे कि आप ऑनेस्टली बोल देते, कह देते, बट आप भी मैनर हाउस में आकर के रुके. द ट्रैम्प टुक अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड स्ट्रक द टेबल. मेरी क्या गलती है? स्ट्रक द टेबल विद हिज फिस्ट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, मिस्टर आयरन मास्टर, हाउ थिंग्स आर. This rat trap seller did not only said this thing that he did not only believe in the central metaphor, but he himself believed in it, that I was attracted, all you offered me, all the riches you offered me, were but a bait, and I was caught in the rat trap. Now I am going to tell you, Mr. Iron Master, how things are. This whole world is nothing. इसे साथ साथ underline कर लीजिएगा. The whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. All the good things that are offered to you are nothing but cheese rinds and bits of pork, set out to drag a poor fellow into trouble. And if the sheriff comes now and locks me up for this, then you, Mr. Iron Master, must remember that a day may come when you yourself may want to get a big piece of pork, and you will get caught in the trap. जैसे मैं आज ट्रैप में फंसा हूँ, एक दिन आप भी फंस सकते हैं. The Iron Master, because his own ideology had been built around this rat trap story that he cooked for himself, the Iron Master began to laugh. That was not so badly said, my good fellow. Perhaps we should let the sheriff alone on Christmas. छोड़ो छोड़ो पुलिस की बात छोड़ो, Christmas Eve है. But now get out of here as fast as you can. But just as the man was opening the door, the daughter said, I think he ought to stay with us today. I don't want him to go. And with that, she went and closed the door. What in the world are you doing? Said the father. The daughter stood there quite embarrassed and hardly knew what to answer. That morning she had felt so happy when she thought how homelike and Christmassy she was going to make things for the poor hungry wretch. Wretch is also used for old regimental comrade. This lady was so happy that she was having somebody at home and she would do something for this old man. She was so happy. But now things turned upside down. Her father wants him to turn him out of the house. She could not get away from the idea all at once, and that was why she had interceded for the vagabond. She wanted that this poor hungry wretch for whole year he keeps on plodding here and there, dreading here and there, and now because this is for the very first time that we are having somebody at the Christmas Eve, somebody to talk to, somebody to share food with, and what better than a poor person who will be indebted to them for the rest of their life for having a quite good sleep and quite good food. Are you people enjoying? Please do like this video. That's what, my dear students, I am asking for. I am thinking of this stranger here, said the young girl. He walks and walks the whole year long, and there's probably not a single place in the whole country where he is welcome and can feel at home. Wherever he turns, he is chased away. Always he is afraid of being arrested and cross-examined. I should like to have him enjoy a day of peace with us here. Just one in the whole year. That is why she is full of kindness. The daughter of Iron Master, she is full of compassion. The Iron Master mumbled something in his beard. He could not bring himself to oppose her. It was all a mistake, of course, but anyway, I don't think we ought to chase away a human being whom we have asked to come here and to whom we have promised Christmas cheer. You do preach worse than a parson. तुम एक parson से भी गंदा preach करती हो, said the Iron Master. I only hope तुम्हें इस चीज का regret ना हो जो काम तुम करने वाली हो. The young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him up to the table. Now sit down and eat, she said, for she could see that her father had given in. The man with the rat trap said not a word. He only sat down and helped himself to the food. Time after time he looked at the young girl who had interceded for him, convinced her father that she should help a poor man whom they have invited themselves. Why had she done it? What could the crazy idea be? After that, Christmas Eve at Ramjaso passed just as it always had. Christmas Eve is the evening before the Christmas. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. At noon they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare. But after that, he slept again. It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramjaso. In the evening, when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again and he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. But after that he disappeared again. 2 hours later he was aroused one more. He then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. He was so welcome, but he literally slept like a baby. He slept with all his comfort. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you and good night. But when he come to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. उसके father चाहते हैं जो सूट तुमने पहना है वो आप ही रख लें as Christmas present. He did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace, be sure that no evil would befall him. He would be welcomed back again. आप दोबारा रुकना चाहें तो रुक सकते हैं. The man with the rat traps did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement that how can somebody be so kind to him? He has always met hard faces. He has always met with no. He has always been chased away. Why he is being welcomed? When at about the next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season to go to the early Christmas service. They went to the church. The guest was still asleep. They did not disturb him. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. Now she was sad. What has happened to the church? What had happened in the church that she was so sad? Dejected. At church, she had learned that one of the old crofters of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. पता चला चर्च से कि कोई जो रैट ट्रैप सेल करता है वो एक ओल्ड पर्सन के, एक ओल्ड मैन के 30 kroners लेकर के जा चुका है. Yes, that was a fine fellow you let into the house, said her father. I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. अब ये सोच लो घर पर क्या बचा होगा और कितना बचा होगा. Angry father. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps when the iron master asked the valet whether the stranger was still there. He added that he heard at church that man was a thief. The valet answered that fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. On the contrary, he had left behind a little package which Miss Wilman's son was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. The young girl opened the package, which was so badly done that the contents came into view at once. She gave a little cry of joy. What did she find? Very important ending to the story. What did she find? She found a small rat trap, three wrinkled kroner notes. That was not at all. In the rat trap also lay a letter written in large jagged characters. Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, and I want to be nice to you in return, and as if I was a real captain. At the Christmas season, buy a thief, but you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain. Because in that way he got power to clear himself. Because you treated me like a captain, you behaved with me like a captain, you respected me like a captain, I feel like there is something I would do for your kindness and compassion that you showed me. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain Von Stale. He signs as a Captain Von Stale, to whom he was mistaken as, all because of the very fact that this kindness of this lady, compassion of this lady, forced the paddler to change his dirty ways. He committed theft, but he returned all the money. And if you want to know the high level analysis of the story, you must know the character sketch of Edla. You must write the character sketch of Edla. Let's do the high level analysis of the story today itself. Let's not wait for another video, because my dear बच्चों, जुलाई start हो चुका है. जल्दी जल्दी अपनी प्रेपरेशन को कंटिन्यू रखिए, जल्दी जल्दी अपनी प्रेपरेशन को हाई लेवल पर रखिए ताकि आपका कोई भी पॉइंट मिस ना हो। अगर हम इस चैप्टर का हाई लेवल एनालिसिस करते हैं तो इसमें सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी जो है वो है कैरेक्टर स्केच इंपॉर्टेंट है। कैरेक्टर स्केच किसका इंपॉर्टेंट है? रैट ट्रैप सेलर का इंपॉर्टेंट है, और इसमें आप यूज कर सकते हैं वो सब वर्ड्स जो रैट ट्रैप सेलर के लिए इस चैप्टर में यूज किए गए हैं। सेकंड कैरेक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट है, एडला का इंपॉर्टेंट है, और इसकी जो मेन थीम है, मेन थीम जो इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट है, फर्स्ट इज वेट, मेन आइडियाज। फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है द मेटाफर ऑफ रैट ट्रैप, the metaphor of rat trap, that this world is but a big rat trap, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है। सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट है थीम ऑफ कंपैशन एंड काइंडनेस, जो एडला विलमैन ने इंड्यूस किया था, काइंडली उनसे बिहेव किया था। दैट इज वाई दिस स्टोरी, द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी is very much important. The rat trap seller is the main character and the metaphor of rat trap is the main theme. Second is the theme of compassion and kindness, that if you trust somebody, if you be kind, that kindness always comes back. In this case, the rat trap seller changed his ways, changed his ill ways. He turned his life. Now he will no longer attempt thievery. He will no longer attempt theft because of the trust ingrained in him because of this lady. So my dear students, because we are completing this chapter, the rat trap, now I want my dear students, ये मेरा फोन नंबर है 9996919196, कैरेक्टर स्केच लिखिए रैट ट्रैप वेगाबॉन्ड का in 100 to 120 words और फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए इस नंबर पर। आई विल माई सेल्फ चेक योर आंसर, विल गाइड यू एज पर योर लैंग्वेज, योर सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर एंड योर कंटेंट। आई विल गिव यू मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 4 एंड you just have to message. There is no fee, nothing include, just trying to connect to you people. स्टोरी आपने मुझसे पढ़ी है तो मैं चाहती हूं इस पर आप कैरेक्टर स्केच मैसेज करें। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि नेहा मैम एक टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट करें आने वाले 26 हमारा जो आने वाला बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन है, अगर आप चाहते हैं उसके लिए हम एक टेस्ट सीरीज लॉन्च करें तो कमेंट सेक्शन पर मुझे बताइएगा, अपने रिव्यूज को कमेंट कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा। मुझे बहुत एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है कि स्टूडेंट्स मुझे देख रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। दिस इज डॉक्टर नेहा साइनिंग ऑफ।